Choosing a contractor can be tough. Price is important, but it's not everything. Let's navigate through pricing and how to compare estimates. First, consider the estimate itself. Did the estimator involve you? Did they assess your house or just throw a number at you? A good estimate takes time. Our typical estimate takes close to an hour. We want to understand your needs, whether you're selling, updating, or just bought a house. Next, beware of on-the-spot estimates where the person is eager to leave, so they do a quick walk around and put a quote in your hands with limited details. At Home Pros, we take the information from your on-site visit and craft a detailed estimate within 48 hours. It'll be emailed to you with everything you need to schedule the project. Our estimates are transparent, with line item pricing. This way, you know exactly what you're paying for, even if unforeseen repairs arise. We call it no surprise pricing. Most of the time, you'll have a good feel for our pricing before the project even starts. We also provide you with options and explain the differences. Now, compare our detailed estimate to our competitors. Many will be vague, with lump sums or hidden costs. Rarely is the warranty discussed in detail, and some charge extra for longer warranties. The best estimate will be the most detailed one, and it probably won't be the cheapest. Here's the thing. Cheap isn't sustainable. We price our services to deliver a quality job that lasts. A well-painted house, completed with minimal stress, that meets your expectations. Our pricing allows us to pay our crew and estimators a fair wage. They can support their families and dedicate themselves to our company. Yes, price matters, but there's a lot more to consider. Don't be fooled by the cheapest offer. It's the service beyond the paint that counts. If you really compare estimates, you will find that Home Pros Painting and Home Repairs offers more value for your money.